Hi guys. Today I am releasing a script that generates unique position shakes in just one click. You can choose the amount of movements, rotations, and strength of each movement. Select a clip and tap Generate when you are done changing the settings. Keep in mind that the shake duration will be based on the clip duration. Change the clip length and choose the amount of movements with that in mind.
She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down and round and round, and ain't no telling what she might do next. Cause she's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty lighter, and she might just come for you. Should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake. She's moving closer. Cause she's an itty bitty spider with an itty bitty lighter, and she might just come for you.
As you can see, it works also with parented clips, so you can take advantage of the 0-0 position of the clip. To install the script, locate your After Effects installation folder. Then open Support Files, Scripts, and Script UI panels. Drop the script into the folder and restart After Effects. To use it, click on Window and select Shake Generator at the bottom of the tab. To dock it, hold-click on the window name and move it wherever you want. That's it. Thanks for watching.